Hi, good morning, hi, good morning. No one is saying anything, but still good morning, good morning. Yeah, good morning, good morning. Yeah, bagunara, bagunara. Yeah, okay, very good. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying? Studying, sir. No time to chill. Or if we are chilling, sir, then chilling with studying. Yeah. We are different type of people, sir. We are not normal people. We chill, but we chill with study. Yeah. For us, study is not a burden, sir. A type of study is also a type of chilling. Yeah. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. Yeah. And today's class is a small class. I think you know. It is of 45 minutes. Uh-huh. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. And this is our last class before holidays also. After this, we'll be having our Dasara holidays. Are you knowing that? Sir, we are already at home. For us, every day is holiday, but we are utilizing these days. Yeah. Sir, we are at home only, sir. So for us, every day is like holiday only, sir. But we are, yeah, huh. Planning I can give you at the end. At the end, you can remind me. I will say how to utilize this holidays. Okay, no problem. Because you are at home only. So you can utilize this holiday for your studies. Yeah. 1 week holiday is there. Next class will start from next Monday. Class will tomorrow test is there. Day after tomorrow also test is there. So Saturday, Sunday, 2 tests will be there. Pace exam and space exam. Then next Monday we will have the class. Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, no problem. Test timing will be informed to you. I think tomorrow morning only test is there. Test is tomorrow morning only. It will be informed to you. The way you get the information of class, in the same manner you'll get the information either through YouTube or in the groups. Yeah. So tell me what we studied in the last class. Give me little idea what we studied. We'll start from there. Okay, sare, no problem. What we studied in the last class, from there only we will start. Acha, escalator problem. Okay. So what was the time taken when both were working? Okay. Yeah. Escalator situation we studied. What was the time taken? Relative velocity in 1D is over. Yeah. T1, T2 by T1 plus T2. I'm just asking that formula which came at the end. T1, T2 by T1 plus T2. Yeah. Chai 1 into chai 2 by chai 1 plus chai 2. T means chai. T means chai, na? So chai 1, chai 2 by chai 1 plus chai 2. Okay, no problem. T1, T2 by T1 plus T2. Okay, no problem. And it's nice time to have tea also. Because right now it's raining in your area also. It's raining in your area also. Chai or pakode. Some pakode will be there, chai will be there, life munchie. Yeah, okay, munchie snacks, yeah. Here also in Vijayawada also, I think pav bhaji also, yeah. But tea is required. Okay, no problem, yeah. Here in Vijayawada also, rain is happening. Some cyclone came. Or just normal rainy season rain. Means from the yesterday only, day before yesterday only, weather is like that. Cyclone, that is what I thought. Here continuous rain is happening, means some cyclone will be there. Yeah. Some cyclone. Yeah. Okay. Car loan, bike loan, 3 Gosalites cyclone. Car loan, bike loan, 3 Gosalites cyclone. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So shall we start? So we completed relative motion in 1D. We will talk about relative motion in 2D. We will start with relative motion in 2D. You can write relative motion in 2D. I was praising you only. 3 Gosalites are cyclone. You are the 3 Gosalites. Yeah, okay, no problem. Rain umbrella problem will come just after this. We'll study a little bit about this part. Then that, yeah. Rain umbrella problem is part of this only. Okay, no problem. Sir, 2D also in syllabus. Yeah, 2D is also in the syllabus. Whatever we will study today, up to that we have the syllabus, means up to Rainman problem. So you can write relative motion in 2D. Relative motion in 2D. So nothing new is going to happen. Here also nothing new is going to happen. Situation may change, but physics do not change, as you already know. Only difference, till now bodies were either moving in the same direction or in the opposite direction. Means till now motion of the bodies were on the same line. Till now the motion of the both bodies were on the same line. That's why same line in the same direction you wrote v1 minus v2, opposite direction you wrote v1 plus v2. But now what will happen, the bodies will be moving on two different lines. For example, most commonly they ask for two perpendicular line. They will say you one particle is going in north, other particle is going in east. This is how, yeah, this is how you can see. This is how. Till now you are talking like this, going in the opposite direction or going in the same direction. Now things will change. Two bodies will be going in two perpendicular direction. And here they will ask you to find the relative velocity. Here they will ask you to find direction of relative velocity. I will tell you with the help of one example. Simple situation, simple situation. You do one example, one question. There I will explain, and then I will give you few more situation. You write the question. You write the question. You write the question. You write. A man is walking in east. A man is walking in east with a speed of 10 meter per second. A man is walking in east with a speed of 10 meter per second. And wind is blowing in north. A man is walking in east with a speed of 10 meter per second. And wind is blowing in north. And wind is blowing in north with same speed of 10 meter per second. With same speed of 10 meter per second. Find the velocity and direction of wind. You see, one is going in north, one is going in east. Two different axes are involved. Yeah. Find the direction of wind observed by the running man. Find the direction of wind observed by the running man. Find the velocity and direction of wind observed by the running man. You should have given answer. I thought you'll give answer. Ashwak, very good. Vikram, very good. Ashwak, direction is wrong. Geetika, magnitude is correct, but direction is not given. All four options will have same magnitude, or minimum two options will have same magnitude. Game will be of direction. Geetika, wrong direction. Trishal, correct. Magnitude also correct. Direction also correct. Gagan, magnitude given. Direction also give direction. Nayak, correct. See here, okay, no problem. Those who are feeling any doubt, any problem, once you can see here, okay, no problem. Gagandeep, direction is wrong. Direction is wrong. Just see here, okay, no problem. And you'll realize that I'm not telling you anything new. You already know. Just I will tell you how to apply the concept which you have studied. Just see here how we'll be talking. Just see here how we'll be talking. Yeah. Always remember, here main problem is students try to do this type of question in air. Sanju, correct. Yeah. What happened? What is the main problem? Main problem is students try to solve this type of question in air. Never solve in air. Always follow diagram. Always draw diagram. Then only you'll be able to do the question without mistake. Otherwise, some east, west, north, south direction problem will happen. You lose 5 marks in the NEET exam. These are the sure short question which everyone should be able to do. But little patience is required. Little patience. Thoda thumb ke. You have to read the question. You have to draw the diagram. Then only solve. Then only solve. So just here. Yeah. Okay. So two objects are there. Man is there and wind is there. So draw the diagram. If you solve without diagram, maybe one question you will get, two question you will get, but third question you will make mistake. Silly mistake. So that's why I'm saying draw the diagram. If you draw the diagram, silly mistakes will not happen. What is said in the question? A man is walking in east. So represent the man by dot. Represent the man by dot. This is the man, sir. He is walking in east. He is walking in east with how much speed? 10 meter per second. Okay, no problem. This is, I am not doing anything. This is already given in the question. This is already given in the question. What is given in the question? A man, you see M for man, yeah. A man is walking in east with a speed of 10 meter per second and wind is blowing in north. Wind is blowing in north. Wind is blowing. This is the wind which is blowing in north. With how much speed it is blowing? Same speed of 10 meter per second. Okay, no problem. This is already given in the question. Don't think you have done anything new. You have just represented that question in the form of diagram. Man is walking in east, wind is blowing in north. Now they are asking you find the velocity of wind with respect to man. They are asking you find the velocity of wind with respect to man. You tell me who is the observer here? Who is the observer here? Who is the observer here? Man is the observer. What observer do? What observer do? If man is the observer, what observer do? Observer treat himself at rest. And for that, what he do? For treating himself at rest, what he do? He gives his velocity in opposite direction. So this man is going like this. So he will feel that I am at rest. And he will give his velocity to the wind in opposite of its direction. So he's going in east now. So he will give his velocity to the rain. He will give his velocity to the wind in opposite direction. So if he's going in east like this, he will give in opposite direction 10 meter per second. And this direction is nothing west. Now from here, if you see what is the resultant relative velocity that you got, velocity of wind with respect to man. After he became observer, he gave the velocity. After that, you got this velocity VWM, which you can find very easily with the help of vector sum. This will come simply under root of. This is also 10, this is also 10. So under root of 10 square plus 10 square, that will give you 10 root 2. And direction also you can see. This is north, this is west. So direction, resultant direction will become northwest. So 10 root 2 northwest. Is it okay? Is it okay? Those who were saying wrong direction now understood how to get the direction without any mistake, without any doubt. You have to get answer perfectly. In the NEET, you will not get second chance to do the question again. In one chance only some option will match, you'll go with that option. So you have to be careful. Do one more question. Chalo. This time don't do mistake. You right? Ha. Both are same. Ashwak right now, both are same. Okay, no problem. Yeah. You right? As I will tell about that. People are asking, sir, is it north of west or west of north? It is north of west or west of north? Or northwest? Or northwest? Huh? Or northwest? West of north or, yeah. Difference kya hai, sir? Yeah. Understand, no problem. Just see here. Okay, no problem. I will give you idea here. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Then I will give you one more question. Thoda dhyan se. Be careful. People remain confused here. Just see here. One thing I will tell you. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Generally, what happened? On the board, we take our directions like this. This is east. This is west. This is north, this is south. I'm just trying to remove your confusion because it's a very common confusion. You will remain confused. Students remain confused, so that's why I'm talking about. Yeah. Achha, can you tell me what is this direction? What is this direction? This zone is which direction? This north is this, yeah? No, always remember in our day-to-day life, if you say na here northeast, if you say all these points, is it okay? In day-to-day life, if you say these all points are lying in northeast, then it's okay. But in physics, this is not northeast. In physics, if you say northeast, it will become wrong. In physics, northeast means exactly from north, equally inclined from north, and equally inclined from east. If the angle is 40, always remember, in day-to-day life, you can say in day-to-day life, here angle was 45. If you see, here if you calculate this angle, tan theta, 10 by 10, it will come 1. That's why we are saying northwest. Understand what I'm trying to tell. Understand what I'm trying to tell. Be focused, yeah. In day-to-day life, if you say this is northeast, this is northeast, this is northeast, all will be correct. But in physics, if you say, it will become wrong. In physics, northeast means equal contribution of north and equal contribution of east. Can you tell me which line will be equal contribution of north and equal contribution of east? How much angle it will make from north and east? Equal means 45, 40, because total angle is 90, so exactly between them. In physics, only this line, all the points situated on this line, these will be only known as northeast. Remaining will not be known as northeast. Yeah. For that, you have to use 30° east of north or 30° north of east. That we will talk. So always remember, in physics, this is northeast, exactly between north and east. Similarly, this is southwest, exactly 45°, exactly 45°, exactly 45°. This will be your southwest. Similarly, this is exactly 45°, exactly 45°. Then only it will be northwest, exactly 45, exactly 45. This is exactly 45, exactly 45, exactly 45. This will be southeast. Is it okay? Other will be not known. If tomorrow point is here, you will not say northeast, it will become wrong. Northeast means equal north and equal east. That will be 45°. You can draw this diagram. You can draw this diagram. Once you complete drawing, you can say done, sir. So you tell me, if someone says you southeast means 45° from south towards east, or 45° from east towards south. Exactly between south and east. Exactly between southeast means angle will be 45, 45. But now someone says to me, okay, sir, this we understood. But if tomorrow, if one point is lying on this line, for example, point is lying on this side, this is our north, this is our east, and if the point is lying on a line which is making an angle of 30°, you tell me, shall I write this as northeast? Shall I write? Someone asked me, find the location of point P. Shall I write location of point P as northeast? No. If you write northeast means 45°. Angle is not 45. Yeah. So there is another way to write. Yeah, you cannot write 30° north. Yeah, Sanju, correct. Now you have to mention, now you have to take help of angle. Just see here. Two ways you can write. Just see here. Yeah. If you take east as your reference, that means from east where you have to go to reach the point. If you take east as your, it depends on reference. If you take east as your reference, you'll say, sir, from east I have to go towards north. How much angle? 30°. So we'll say 30° north. From where? East. So 30° north of east. समझ में आ रहा है? If someone takes north as his reference, he will say, sir, if I take north as a reference, I have to go towards east. And in order to reach that direction, you have to go towards east. If you take north as reference, you have to go towards east. How much angle you have to go? You have to go 60°. So 60°. Where? Towards east. From where? North. So 60° east of north. समझ में आया क्या? Everyone got the idea? And northeast, if you want, you can write this. You can apply for northeast also. But there you have to write 45° north of east or 45° east of north. That is also correct. Northeast, you can write like that. Bolo, 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 bolo. Everyone got the idea? So tell me about this direction. Direction. Tell me how you'll name the location of this point, this line, this direction. How you'll name the location of this direction? How these points are situated? Yeah, if you take west as reference, then you have to go in north. How much angle? 20 degree. So 20 degree north. From where you are going? From west. So 30 degree north of west. Or if you want, you can take north also as reference. If you take north as reference, you have to go towards west. How much you have to go? 70 degrees. So 70 degree west of north. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now I think this point is clear. Now you will never do any mistake. So do one more question. Do one more question. Yeah. Okay. Do one more question. You write. And here you have to use angle like this. Here you have to use angle like this. You write. A bird is flying. A bird is flying. A bird is flying towards south. A bird is flying towards south with a speed of 6 meters per second. A bird is flying towards south with a speed of 6 meters per second. And a man is running towards west. And a man is running towards west with a speed of 8 meters per second. A bird is flying towards south with a speed of 6 meters per second, and a man is running towards west with the speed of 8 meters per second. Find the direction speed of bird observed by the man. Find direction speed of the bird observed by the man. Now, Vikram, you cannot say southeast. It will become wrong. Angle is not 45 degrees. This is the mistake you do. When both are equal velocity, then you can say equal angle will come, 45 degree will come. Now, one is 6, one is 8. Now, equal velocities are not there. Angle will not come 45. So, if you say southeast, completely wrong. So you have to use 37 degree of something, 53 degree of something. Both angles you can say, both manner you can say. And don't be, yeah. Trishal, very good. Magnitude will come 10, Sanju. Sanju is smart, giving answer under root of 6 square plus 8 square. What option left, sir? 10. Are magnitude, I'm not interested. Direction, boro. Chidvi says, say me the direction. Just now you learned how to get the direction. 53 degrees south of east. Some people are saying 37 degrees south of east. Ashwak is saying 53 degrees south of east. Now Gayatri is saying 37 degree. Are different answers are coming. Gagandeep saying 53, other is saying 37. 53, 37, 53. South of east, yeah. Everyone is saying. So point is you're not drawing the diagram perfectly. That is the problem. That is the problem. You are draw bird and man separately. Don't draw at the same place. Otherwise, you'll be confused while giving. While making observer, you'll be confused. What happened? You take origin, from there only you draw bird also. From there only you draw man also. And when you give the velocity of man, you get confused. So draw separately. I will simply say, sir, bird is flying. Just see how easily I will do. Without any doubt, there is no scope of silly mistake. Because I am doing very clearly. I will simply say, sir, what is said in the question? In the question they are saying, bird is flying south. Bird is flying south. With how much speed, sir? 6 meters per second. Don't draw man here. Don't draw man here. Because tomorrow will give the velocity of man. You will be confused by yourself only. So what is said in the question? Sir, bird is flying south with a speed of 6 meters per second. Okay, no problem. And man, draw man separately. Man is running in west. Man is running in west. With how much speed man is running in west? With how much speed? 8 meters per second. Who is the observer? Bolo, who is the observer? Who is the observer? Who is the observer? Man is the observer. What man will do? Man will give his velocity to the bird in opposite direction. You see how nicely I have drawn. He has given his velocity 8 meter per second to the bird in opposite direction. So this was west, he gave in east. So what is the net resultant, sir? This is the resultant of these two. That will be, sir, under root of 6 square plus 8 square. That will come, sir, 10 meter per second. So velocity of bird with respect to man is 10 meter per second. But what will happen when you look at the option? Either all four options will match with the same value, or at least two will match. So game will be of direction. Now direction you have to decide. Yeah, it depends on the option. It depends on the option. It depends. If you take east as your reference, I'm saying, sir, I will take east as my reference. So from east I have to go north. From east, from east I have to go south. This angle I can find. You can see tan theta. Tan theta will come, sir. Tan theta will come. Opposite by adjacent. 6 by 8. That is 3 by 4. That means theta will come from here 37 degree. That means if you take east as your reference, you have to go to south. In order to reach this direction, from east you have to go to south. By how much angle? 37 degree. So 37 degree south. From where? This 37 degree south. From east. So 37 degree south of east. Or if you take south as your reference, it will become 53 degree east of south. Bolo bolo, done. Everyone got the idea? Finally, I'm asking. Everyone understood how to take the direction? Yeah, okay, no problem. Do one final question from here. Do one final question from here. Do one final question from here. You write. You write. A train is running. Okay, oh yeah. A train is running in north. Okay. A train is running in north with a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. A train is running in north with a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. A train is running in north with a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. And a bird is flying. With same speed towards west. And a bird is flying with same speed towards west. And a bird is flying with same speed towards west. Find the velocity and direction of bird observed by. Again, Vikram did the mistake. Observer is the man. Observer is the train. Find, acha, you are saying, okay. Find the velocity and direction of bird observed by a passenger in the train. Find the velocity and direction of bird observed by a passenger in the train. Passenger in the train means with respect to train. Southwest will come. Ashwak has given correct answer. Vikram, read the question. Observer is the train with respect to passenger in the train. If train is going with 40 in the north, passengers are also going in the north with 40. So observer is the train, not the bird. This is the silly mistakes happen. Trishal, correct. Gagandeep, correct. AKD sir, correct. Southwest, because observer is a train, not train wheel. And here no need to think. Here no need to find angle because both are equal. Gagandeep now correct. What other people are doing? Jaldi batao answer. Oppo correct. Nayak correct. Jaldi, Twarga. Minoti correct. संजू साउथ वेस्ट बाबा कब समझोगे कितना माता पटको संजू कम ऑन गीतिका करेक्ट Sanju is saying sorry sir by mistake. Okay, southwest. Yeah, so very easy. I think everyone will get. Once you draw 1-2 diagram, you'll get the idea. Sir, Train going north with 40. Okay, no problem. Bird flying west, bird flying west, bird flying west, bird flying west with 40. This is the bird, sir. Who is the observer? Train is the observer. So train will give his velocity in opposite direction 40. So this 440 40 means answer will come 40 root 2, and now no need to calculate angle because it will come 45. Both are equal. So this is west, this is south. So 40 root 2 southwest. हो गया क्या? Done, done, done. Can I be 100% sure if such question will come in the NEET, you will be able to do without any doubt, without any confusion? Yeah, okay, okay, very good. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See all this situation. We'll move further. We'll move further. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. And I know once I will say done, sir, you will start saying done, sir. Yeah. Okay, okay. Huh? It's 40. Now we will move further, and yeah, relative motion in 2D has one more example, one more situation where we will talk about, that is known as, what is next thing related with relative motion in 2D? Rain umbrella problem, not river boat. River boat is in the next PACE exam. This is not there, this week not there. Yeah. That is Varsham Manishi Samasya. Varsham Manishi Samasya. Rainman problem. Rainman problem. Rainman problem. Rainman problem. वर्षम मनीषी समस्या, वर्षा मनुष्य समस्या. वर्षम in Hindi also rain means varsha. Manusya in Hindi man means manushya. In Telugu Manish. That's why I remembered so nicely. Yeah, Manish and Manishi. Style should be there. Yeah, of course, style should be there. Baris. Baris, romantic people say baris. Actually, normally we should say Varsa. If you see all the songs, Baris ka pani, baris they will. Romantic people use word baris. Baris ho raha hai. Okay. Normal people say Varsa. You have seen in so many movies, so many songs are there. Baris ka pani. Yeah. So they use this word baris. Otherwise, it's actually Varsha. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Shall we start with Rainman problem? Shuru kare kya? Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Be focused, be focused, be focused, be focused. Yeah, अच्छा, okay, okay. ऐश्वर्या राय सॉन्ग फेमस बारिश का होता है, हाँ बारिश का, हाँ. अच्छा, okay, छोड़ो. Okay, one more song is there. बरसात के मौसम में. Yeah. You can search on Google someday when you will be free, not now. Yeah. One very, very famous song is there. Very famous song. I will not say. Okay, छोड़ो. मौसम. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. You can search बरसात के मौसम में. But that is just song. Don't think anything after listening that song. Yeah, okay, no problem. Barsat. Now it's raining. It's raining. Of course, that's why we are remembering. Yeah. Today I requested. Actually, what happened? Rainman topic was about to start. That's why I asked Indradev to put the rain today. Then only you'll get more feeling that Rainman problem is going on. So many connections I have. Yeah. I asked the God to put the rain today. Indradev, yeah, Indradev, I asked today means, of course we are going to start Rainman problem. If rain will be there, students will understand easily. Yeah, Vikram is knowing everything. Vikram is saying raw agents are, you must have so many connections. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Just here we will start. Be focused, just here. Be focused, just here. Yeah. Okay. First understand how this all story starts. Just here. No problem. I will give you one simple example. Yeah. Acha, you will realize that whenever rain will happen, you will not have umbrella. And whenever you will have umbrella, rain will not happen. Have you realized that? If you forget to take the umbrella, definitely rain will happen. And if you remember to take the umbrella, definitely rain will not happen. Yeah, this happens. This is the property of rain. Yeah, okay. But still we try to protect ourselves. For example, I went to the class or I'm in the campus, rain started happening suddenly. I have a copy. So what we will do? We put copy over the head. Everyone has done like this. If rain is happening, you are going to mess or somewhere, nothing is there, no umbrella is there, you'll keep your copy like this. Have you done like this? Copy or bag, or I observe here in offline, they put the plate also, mess plate also, t-shirt also. Okay, no problem. T-shirt. Okay, no problem. Shoes also. People put their shoes also. Head will be protected, shoes will not. Yeah. Okay. Now, just here. What difference will come? Just here. Be focused. Just see. When you will realize now, when you stand, you hold the plate like this. You hold the copy like this. But once you start running or walking fast now, you don't hold your plate like this. You tilt the plate. Have you done like that? Have you realized this? When you stand in a very cool manner, you'll hold like this, you'll talk with your friend, but you realize once you'll start walking, automatic, our natural sense is there. This is what we have learned from our life, that once we'll start walking, we'll not hold like this, we'll hold like this. Have you seen? Why you hold? Does the rain change the direction? Does rain got to know that you are walking, I will change the direction? Is it like that? No. When you are at rest, you observe the actual velocity of the rain. The velocity with which rain is coming from the sky. Actually, when you are at rest, you observe the actual velocity of rain. But when you start moving, when you start running, you are the observer. You give your velocity to the rain in opposite direction, due to which the direction observed, same thing was happening here now. Actually, if you see, same thing was happening here now. Actually, bird was going in the west, but you are seeing southwest. Why? Because if you stand here, if you don't run, you will see bird going in the west. Same thing happened with the rain. Everyone got the idea? Bolo. Thoda idea lag raha hai? I will give you a little more example. One more example, which has happened to everyone. This is a very common thing which we observe, and we get frustrated also due to this. Just here. Have you realized sometimes when you are driving in the rain, when your bike is standing or when your scooty is standing, at that time raindrops are hitting your face, that time raindrops are hitting your head, you feel very nice. Weather is very good. But when you start driving and when the same raindrops hit your face, they feel like bullet. Have you felt this? They hit very rashly. Every time this thing happens, when you drive, while driving, if rain will happen, if you stand, no problem. If you stand, same raindrops will hit your face, your body, you'll feel very nice. Wow, kya bhaiya? Baris ka pani. You'll say, baris ka pani. But when you start driving, you'll feel that those raindrops are hitting your face like bullet. They're beating you. Does the velocity of rain change? You started running, you started driving, does velocity of rain changed? No. But actually what happened? When you are running, you are giving your velocity to the rain in opposite direction, due to which net velocity of rain has increased. You see here, net velocity of the bird is now not 40, actual 40. But what man will observe? 40√2. So same thing happened there also. Everyone is getting idea? This Rainman problem is nothing, sir. It is just relative motion in 2D. Now just here. Be focused. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now always remember. In Rainman problem, we have to play with 3 velocity. One is the actual velocity of the rain, the velocity with which rain is coming from the sky. Actual velocity of the rain, the velocity with which rain is coming from the cloud, that is VR, that we represent by VR. One will be the velocity of man. I said, there will be a man who will be running in the rain. That is the velocity of this. You drive your scooty now. This is your velocity. This is your velocity. And one is the velocity of rain with respect to the running man. Three velocities you have to play with. One is the actual velocity of the rain, the velocity with which rain is falling. One is the velocity with which man will be walking, and other is the velocity of the rain observed by the man. You tell me, man will hold umbrella according to which velocity? Actual velocity or relative velocity? Relative. Whatever you will observe. Actually you are a good student or bad student doesn't matter. Actually you are a good person or bad person doesn't matter. If you behave good to me, I'll feel that you are good. If you behave bad to me, I will feel it bad. So same thing, always remember, man always holds umbrella. Holds umbrella according to VRM. According to VRM, whatever the velocity you observe, and these three velocities are related with VRM equal to VR vector minus VM vector. You already know this thing, that VAB will be equal to VA minus VB. So same thing, VRM equal to VR minus VM. Is it okay? Done. And this is the velocity you observe. This is why everything happens. Okay, no problem. Once you complete writing, you can say done, sir. Now understand. Without any if and but, I will tell you one thing. Yeah. I can get thousands of problems on Rainman. Thousands of situation on Rainman. Man is going on inclined plane. Man is sliding from the inclined plane. Man is running in the east. Man is running in west. Rain is coming from forward. Rain is coming from backward. Thousand situation possible, but all are useless. If you talk as per the NCERT, as per the NTA, only one situation we need to know. First, we will complete that situation. In NCERT, in Rainman, only one situation has been discussed. Till now, no question came from the Rainman. But if question will come, definitely that question will come. They all only change the data from there. So we'll talk about the most basic and most important part of Rainman problem. Is it okay? Shall we talk about that first? Yeah. And that situation is, you write first, you write. This will give you more clarity. You write first, you write. Actual velocity of rain is vertical. Actual velocity of rain is vertical. Actual velocity of rain is vertical. So the first situation, when rain is actually falling vertical, which always happen. Sometimes wind blow, that's why it changes the direction. Otherwise, rain will be falling vertical. Yeah. Actual velocity of rain is vertical. This is the first situation which we'll study in detail, which is given in NCERT. Actual velocity of rain is vertical. Is it okay? Means actually rain is falling vertically. But man will run. He will not find rain vertical. He will find rain at slant. He will find rain at some angle. Now understand. Few things. Just here. Always remember. Achha, how many direction we have? Do you know how many direction we have? How many direction we have? 4. What are those 4 directions? What are those 4 directions? North, south, east, west. That is wrong. We have 6 direction. 4 are horizontal direction. What happened in class also, today also when I was teaching, I asked the students, where is north direction? They said like this. They said, sir, north is this. Is this is north? Is this is north? Is this is north? Up is north. Is this is north? Don't be a fool. Don't be a fool. On the board, we have to draw like that. On the board, but if you look on your copy now, it will never appear up. In your copy, when you write in the copy, see you have done so many diagrams in all this now. See here in your copy, does in your copy, is it appearing north anywhere upward? On the board, of course. In copy, it is like this. But on the board, it becomes like this. Are you getting? Because board is already vertical. So always remember what I'm trying to tell, Yeah, this will solve one of the major problem in this part. That's why I'm talking about, yeah. Always remember we have 6 direction, 4 horizontal direction, north, south, east, west. These are in the horizontal plane. And 2 up and down, vertically upward and vertically downward. These are not north and south. Are you getting the idea? Again, it will be used in magnetism. There also again I will ask. Is it okay? Is it okay? So always remember, So always remember in Rainman problem what will happen? We will take help of 2 direction. One will be our vertical direction. Now this line will not represent north. Till now I am representing this line by north. I am saying this north direction because this is how I can represent on the board. Board is 2D. I cannot take 3D on the board. But now what will happen? Y direction will represent vertical. Vertical direction will be on this line. I will represent vertical direction. And x-axis will represent horizontal direction. Horizontal direction means tomorrow this direction can be east also, west also, north also, south also. Whether man is running in the east, then also will take like this only. If they say man is running in west, then also will take like this only. If the man is running in north, this will be the same direction. Are you getting the point? Bolo, bolo, bolo. Be little brain is required. What I'm trying to tell. 2 directions are there. One is vertical, one is horizontal. Horizontal has 4 parts. So x-axis belong to horizontal. Tomorrow, if they say a man is running in east, then also will represent this direction only. If someone says man is running in west, then also same diagram. Running in north, then also same diagram. Running in south, then also same diagram. Everyone got the idea? एक बार बोल दो yes or no. Okay, very good. So 2 directions we will talk. Vertical direction where sky is there, and horizontal direction in which we will have the road. Road can go to north also, south also, east also, west also. Now understand. First situation we are going to talk. What was the first situation? Rain falling vertically. Actual velocity of rain is vertical. Is this was the first situation? Actual velocity of rain is vertical. Now see here how to deal with it. Just see here how I will say. They will say you like this. Be careful. Just here. They will say you like this. They will say the question. They will say rain is falling vertical. Means actual velocity of rain is vertical. Or they will say you, a man standing on the ground finds that raindrops are hitting him vertically. Means actual velocity of the rain is vertical. So this is raindrop which is falling vertical with some speed VR. This is the actual velocity of rain. Raindrop is falling vertically with speed VR. Okay, no problem. And there will be a man standing on the road. Can you tell me which direction is this? If the man is running in this direction, which direction will be this? It is horizontal. It can be north also, it can be south also, it can be east also, it can be west also. It is horizontal. This is the road. Road can go in any direction. Is it okay? Bolo, targa. Okay, no problem. Now just see how question will come. They will say, rain is falling vertically with velocity VR and there is a man on the horizontal road. If the man starts running with velocity VM, who is the observer? Man is the observer. Now you tell me what this once this man will run in the rain, and when he will see the rain, what he will think that I am at rest, and what this man will do. If this man is observer, what he will think? What he will think? If this man is observer, what he will think? He is going to hold the umbrella, so of course he is the observer. What he will think? He will think that I am at rest. And what he will do? And what he will do? The every raindrop he will observe. He will give his velocity in opposite direction, VM. Opposite direction. So according to him, you see, rain was falling vertically, but once the man started running, and when he will observe every raindrop, what he will feel, what he will do, he will give his velocity to every raindrop in opposite direction. You see, he has given VM to one drop which I am taking here in opposite direction. Now he will say that rain has two velocity. One natural velocity VR which is having, and one velocity which he given. So net relative velocity of the rain which man will observe, your VRM will become. Can you tell me how much VRM will become? Simply vector addition of this under root of VR square plus VM square. This is the first important formula given in NCERT. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Easy. Yeah, man will run. He's the observer. He will give his velocity in opposite direction. That is what you're observing here. He has given his velocity VM in opposite direction. So this is the relative velocity which he's observing. No problem. Yeah. Now next. Yeah. Now, are you getting feeling that means if this man is looking at the rain now, previously rain was coming to his head like this, but now rain is coming like this. Are you getting this feeling that rain has got slant little bit? It has inclined at some angle. So what he will do? Now he will not hold umbrella like this. Now he will not hold umbrella like this. Now to him, rain is coming like this. So what he will do? He will hold umbrella at some angle from the vertical. So rain, and second thing, rain is not coming from here. Rain is coming from the sky. So he will look at the sky and he will tilt his umbrella. And in order to protect himself from his head, from here rain is like this. But if he wants to protect himself, he has to hold umbrella like this. So question is asked, at what angle from the vertical? For example, let's assume angle theta. At what angle from the vertical he will hold the umbrella? You can see this is how he is going to hold the umbrella to protect himself from the rain. You see, all the drops will be blocked and he will be able to protect himself. So they will ask you this theta. So if this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. You can find tan theta from here. So tan theta will come opposite by adjacent. Yeah, VM by VR. You can see tan theta will come VM by VR. So tan theta will come VM by VR. So we will say theta is from vertical. Theta is from vertical. From where you are measuring this angle? From vertical. Theta from vertical. In which direction? Can you tell me? Yeah, tan theta you can find. Tan theta will be opposite by adjacent. VM by VR. Theta is measured from here. Where? Theta is from vertical. In which direction? From vertical you can have forward also. Forward means the direction which you are running, and from vertical you can have backward also. Can you tell me he is holding the umbrella in forward to his motion? Forward na. So theta is from vertical in forward. Tomorrow this forward may be east, west, north, south, depending on the direction in which he is running. This is what is given in Rainman in NCERT, nothing else. Everyone is getting? Very simple. If you feel any problem, then you have to remember the formula. Your work will be done. Means marks will come even if you remember the formula, marks will come. but don't get confused in the formula. Student get confused. That's why I told you the entire process. Bolo, 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 bolo. Twarga. So net velocity is the relative velocity of rain with respect to man. Man will give his velocity in opposite direction. See, this is what is happening. See, this is what is happening. Bahut aasan, very easy. You see, when man is standing, rain is like this. Is it appearing? Yeah, Bhagwan. It's not appearing. It's black. Screen also black. Yeah, this is what is happening. When man is standing, rain is like this. Rain is vertical. Rain, if he'll see the raindrop now, he will find that raindrops are hitting like this, coming like this. Now, when he will run now, he will give his velocity in opposite direction. You see, he has given his velocity in opposite direction. Now you tell me, does it still rain will be vertical? See the net resultant velocity of the rain now. See, no, it will be now slant, resultant of these two. So to my mouth, it is coming like this. So I will not hold my umbrella like I'm not a fool. That rain is coming like this. I hold umbrella. No, I will tilt my umbrella. This angle theta from vertical, in which direction? Forward direction. Done, done, done. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Yeah. If you don't understand, then you have to remember this formula. Tan theta will be Vm by Vr, and Vrm will be equal to under root of Vr square plus Vm square. Do one question. Do one question. If you understood, try to do without formula. If not understood, then do with formula. You write? Rain is falling vertically. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of, rain is falling vertically with speed of 10 meter per second. Rain is falling vertically with speed of 10 meter per second. A man started running. A man started running. A man started running. A man started running towards west. Don't change the diagram. West, that doesn't mean now you'll take man running like, no, all the direction which man run will you'll take is a horizontal only. If the man started running towards west with a speed of, if man started running towards west with a speed of 10 root 3 meter per second, then find the speed and direction. Direction means angle. Find the speed and direction of rain observed by him. Then find the speed and direction of rain observed by him. Trishal, very good. 60 degree from vertical, in which direction, Trishal? Is it towards east? Is it towards west? Is it towards north? Is it, yeah, west? Forward is west now. Forward, he's running in west now. So forward is west. Answer will be 60 degree from vertical in forward. But now that forward is west because he's running in the west. So 60 degree from vertical in forward or in towards west. Both possibilities are there depending on the option. So you have the formula. If you want, you can draw the diagram, or if you want, you can solve by formula. So rain is falling vertically, already given. So we can write, sir, Vrm will come under root of Vr square plus Vm square. If you substitute, this is coming 20 meter per second. Now, if anyone asks you, find the angle, tan theta will come, sir. We know Vm by Vr, sir. If you substitute, this is coming root 3, means theta is coming 60 degree. So 60 degree from vertical, in forward. And what is that forward direction? West. So you can say towards west. Bolo, bolo, everyone is getting? एक बार बोल दो yes or no. If you want to draw without diagram, if you want to solve without formula, just here for 1 minute I will do without formula. That is also easy. That is more easy. Without formula is more easy. There will be no headache that I will forget formula, I will remember formula, revise, not revise. This is the good thing about formula. It is the good thing about concept. That you don't need to revise. You once you understood simple technique. Sir, what is happening? What is happening? What is said in the question? What is said in the question? Rain falling vertically. How much speed? 10 meter per second. Okay, sir. This is story of rain. Man is walking in west. Don't draw diagram like this. Don't be a fool. All horizontal directions are this line. Whether east, west, north, south doesn't matter. This is all directions which are possible in horizontal. North, south, east, west. Here they are saying west. Okay, no problem. He is running with 10 root 3. He is the observer, sir. What he will do? He'll give his velocity in opposite direction, 10 root 3. So what is the net velocity he will observe, sir? Under root of 10 square plus 10 root 3 square. This will give us, sir, 20 meter per second. Someone asked me, find the angle with which he will hold the umbrella. Sir, one thing is clear, rain is not coming from here. Rain is coming from sky. So he have to keep his umbrella up. He will not collect the water. He has to stop the water. So he will keep his umbrella up. So theta from the vertical. So tan theta will come, sir. Opposite by adjacent. 10 root 3 by 10, that is root 3. So theta will come 60 degree. From where? From where you are measuring, sir? From vertical you are measuring. From vertical. In which direction? In forward direction. Because he is running in this direction, sir. So in forward, or that forward here is west. Bolo. Is doing without formula is so tough? No, that is also easy. But if you are using the formula, keep thinking in your mind that you should not do mistake there. See there, crystal clear. There is nothing to remember, nothing to be confused. Bolo, ho gaya kya? Suddenly move to the second situation, which is not there in NCERT, which will not come in the NEET. But still we will talk, no problem. Not inclined plane. I'm not going to fool you by teaching inclined plane, Baba. It is not even asked in IIT. Why it will come in NEET? Yeah. I have knowledge, that doesn't mean I will tell you everything. We'll only talk about those things which you require for the NEET. Second situation. Shall we talk about the second situation? And I will tell you the second situation, and point is this will also not come in the NEET, but close to this. That's why I'm telling you, close to this. Yeah. Right now, which situation you have studied? What you have studied? Right now, what you have studied? Which case you have studied? What you have studied right now? Actual velocity of rain is vertical. Now we'll study relative velocity of rain is vertical. Right? Second situation. Relative velocity of rain is vertical. Relative velocity of rain. Relative velocity of rain is vertical. Relative velocity of rain is vertical. Shall we start relative velocity of rain vertical? How to deal with this? Okay, no problem. But are you not feeling, sir, how this is possible, sir? How this is possible? Just see here. How first we have to check possibility, sir. If you understood this, even diagram not required. You will get answer in one line. And the question which you will ask, you will get in one line. Just here. Okay, no problem. Be focused. Just listen one point. They tell me, does man can run in vertical? No, that means rain can only affect the man cannot run in vertical. That means man can only affect horizontal velocity of rain. Is it possible for man to affect vertical velocity of rain? Is it possible? No, not possible. Sir, how? Man will run on road, sir. Road is horizontal, sir. So he will interfere. Whatever the velocity will give in horizontal only. He cannot give any velocity in vertical because he will not be running on vertical direction. He can run only in horizontal. Now just here. Now just here. Now just here. Be focused. Be focused. Just here. Yeah. Minoti is saying something. Very good. Yeah. Achha, you tell me, man is running in horizontal. So he will be giving his velocity to the rain in horizontal only now. If the man is running in horizontal, only the thing is giving it reverse horizontal. If he is running in east, he must be giving in west. He is running in. So what I'm trying to tell, what is happening here? Yeah, okay. Sir, if the man is running in horizontal, he is the observer, sir. He will give his velocity in opposite direction. That opposite direction will be also horizontal. But you are saying that rain is not having any horizontal velocity. Rain is only having vertical velocity. What is meaning of this? How this is possible? ये कैसे possible है? How this is possible? This is only possible when horizontal of rain and horizontal of man are equal. ध्यान से देखो, be careful, see here how this is possible. I can prove it mathematically, but that is useless. See here, you see, rain is having both component. Assume, of course, rain is having both component. Now rain is having, because relative velocity is vertical. That means actual velocity will have both, horizontal also, vertical also. You tell me, I'm the man who is going to run. You tell me with how much velocity. For example, if this is 10, this is 20. Can you tell me with how much velocity I will run? So that when I will give, this 10 will be cancelled. Same as this. If my horizontal and rain horizontal both are equal, so when I will become observer now, I can cancel that horizontal. And if I will cancel that horizontal, which velocity I will see? Only vertical. You write this point. चमका, थोड़ा सा चमका. So you can write this point. Yeah. This will be possible only when rain is slant. This will be possible only when rain is slant. This will be possible only when rain is slant. And horizontal of man is equal to horizontal of rain. This will be only possible when rain is slant, means at some angle, and horizontal of rain and horizontal of man and rain are equal. Here relative velocity observed will be only the left out vertical component. Here the relative velocity observed will be only left out vertical component. Horizontal cancel na. So what is left? Vertical. So that vertical left, because man cannot affect vertical. Vertical possibility is there. You tell me, is it possible for you to see the rain coming from horizontal? Is it possible? Possibility is there. If you are in a parachute who is falling with the same velocity of the rain, then you will find that rain is horizontal. Are you getting? In order to observe rain horizontal, you must cancel the vertical, and for vertical you have to jump. In order to cancel the vertical, you have to jump from certain height. That we cannot do now. If you will jump, who will become doctor? If you will jump, who will become doctor? So that's why we don't say man moving in vertical. We only say man moving in horizontal. Is it okay? So tell me, if someone says you man is running and he's finding rain only vertical, what is meaning of this? How it is possible for a man to see rain only vertical? This is means what? Man is saying only rain vertical. This means what? How that will be possible? How that will be possible? Tell me the concept there. Horizontal of rain is same as horizontal of man. Horizontal of rain is same as horizontal of man. That's why when man is becoming observer, he's giving in opposite direction. Both are cancelling each other. And how much velocity he will see then? If these two horizontal cancel, what he will see then? Only vertical. You write the question. Chalo. Do one question. You write. You write. You write. Rain is falling with a speed of 10 root 2 meter per second. Rain is falling with a speed of 10 root 2 meter per second at an angle of 45 degree from the vertical. Rain is falling with a speed of 10 root 2 meter per second at an angle of 45 degree from the vertical. Find the speed with which a man should run. Find the speed with which a man should run. Find the speed with which a man should run. Sanju correct. Ashwak correct. You got the idea. Answer will come 10. Find the speed with which man should run to see the rain only vertical. To see the rain only vertical. To see the rain only vertical. Answer will come 10 meter per second. Man horizontal, rain horizontal must be equal. If you check here, there is 10 root 2 for the rain. Horizontal is 10. Vertical is also 10. So with how much velocity man should run so that he will not see 10? So he has to balance this horizontal. So he has to run with the same 10. So velocity of man will be 10 meter per second. Is it okay? Is it okay? Second question. Find the velocity of rain he will observe. You have to tell me how much he will observe now. Find the velocity of rain he will observe. VRM. Yeah. Ashok very good. Sajju very good. Minoti very good. Trishal very good. Vikram, how 10 root 2 will? Kya karte ho? AKD sir very good. Vertical. So this already cancelled now. This cancelled when you made observer. So what is left? Vertical left. So he will observe only 10 meter per second. If you want formula for this, then Vm should be equal to VR sine theta. You can see here, this is 45, so VR sine theta. And the VRM here will be equal to VR cos theta. Because rain will be like this here. If you want with the help of formula, I've just written formula. Because many people brain don't work now. So for them. For those who brain work, nothing is required. All these are useless things. बोलो 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 समझ गए क्या? बोलो. So this is how we have talked about. This is enough. This is enough for Rainman problem. You can try. After holidays, we will see 1-2 more questions. Is it okay? Okay. So this is how we have talked about. So we'll meet after holidays. Till then, if any problem comes, you can message me on WhatsApp. No problem. Yeah. Okay. And study well. Study well. Utilize. Yeah. Yeah, you have no holidays, of course. Yeah, you are at home, so you don't have holidays. Yeah. Ha. And always remember you are a warrior. Ha. No problem, Bikram. Yeah. You know na yeah, a soldier cannot be out of the duty. Ha. You cannot be out of the duty. Your duty right now, you're a warrior. Till the end, war will be not won. You cannot stop. Till the end, war is not won. Till the end, जब तक you will not reach to the goal, जब तक फोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. Till the end, I will not become doctor. I will not leave. Till the okay, no problem. I will give number, no problem at the end. Yeah, and in holidays, maybe some of the topic you left now, or you did not prepare well, or some previous year question, whatever the till now, some of the topics in which you feel weak, you can cover up those topics. You can cover up those topic. Some of the topic which you felt, and bio, some topic is there which is very important, theoretical bio, human physiology, where you already know so many things, so many topics are there which may be bio, theoretical. Anatomy, you can revise them. You can revise them. In physics also, you can revise semiconductor, all those chapters you can revise. And first complete, first complete those topics which has been left till now, which have studied na some chapter. Maybe in some chapter you'll be weak little bit, you'll be not that much confident. First complete them. First complete those chapter. First complete those chapter. After that, you can revise some topic of bio. You can revise some topic of physics, which are theoretical, which don't require our much help. You already know, you can revise them. Is it okay? Miles to go before I sleep. Always remember, you have to complete the mile. That milestone will be achieved on the day of NEET exam. Till then, you cannot rest. Till then, you cannot rest. So work hard. Happy holidays to all of you. Happy Dasara to all of you. Tata, bye-bye, take care. Phone number if you want, if you have any problem or related any queries there, you can ask. This is the number. Okay, टाटा बाय बाय. हैप्पी दशहरा, हैप्पी दशहरा, हैप्पी दशहरा, हैप्पी दशहरा. बहुत अच्छे से रहो, पढ़ो लिखो. Bye bye bye. Take care. Bye 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 bye. Manish sir will not have any class. His syllabus is already completed. Bye. Bye.